it's Riley from Science Girl. Today we are doing the Flameproof balloon experiment. So what you need is matches, candles, a balloon about the size of a grapefruit filled with water, and some paper towels to dry it. Now, I know that you might be a kid, and so you definitely are going to want some adults' help with the matches. As you can see, I already got a little bit of help. So, after you fill the balloon about the size of a grapefruit, you want to dry it off with a paper towel, just to make sure that we don't have any excess. Also, shout out to Jack. Remember, leave your name in the comments below if you want a shout out. So, we are going to be doing the Flameproof balloon. So you want to take your balloon, you want to hover it over for a few seconds, take it off. It's supposed to not explode or break, so let's see. Let's try that a few more times. Look at that, not breaking. Just going to hover that for a few more seconds and I'm going to touch that area. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's not even hot. Oh my goodness. It's ice cold. So, the reason why this doesn't get hot is due to a process called heat absorption. Ice cold water against a hot flame. What happens is the cold takes in the heat, kind of like during winter and you open up your door and then your entire house becomes cold. That's why this process works. So let's try it a few more times and let's see. I literally made contact with the flame and it's ice cold. You see that little mark right there? Let's see if I can do that again. No joke, guys. I'm not even getting burnt. That's amazing, guys. So make sure that you get an adult's help with lighting the matches. I almost hurt myself doing that, so let's see if we can continue. Wow. Neat science, isn't it? That's how you make your own flameproof balloon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave your name in the comments below for a shout out next video. See you next time. For now, this is Science Girl.